Today I am reviewing the ATEC 32GB DDR3L 1600 MHz SODIMM RAM kit. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The ATEC 32GB DDR3L 1600 MHz SODIMM RAM kit is designed to significantly improve the performance of compatible laptops and notebooks that support DDR3 memory. This kit includes 4 8GB modules, giving a total of 32 GB of system memory, which is a substantial upgrade for older or mid-generation systems still using DDR3 or DDR3L architecture. One of the main benefits of this RAM kit is its ability to breathe new life into older laptops. Many systems that originally came with 4 GB or 8 GB of RAM often struggle with modern multitasking demands. By upgrading to 32 GB, users can experience noticeably smoother performance when running multiple applications, browsing with many tabs open, or working with productivity software. This memory operates at a speed of 1600 MHz, which is standard for DDR3 LPC3-12800 modules. While it is not the latest generation of RAM, it is still highly capable within its supported platform. For systems designed around DDR3, this speed provides a good balance between stability and performance. The modules are dual-rank, 2RX8, and non-ECC unbuffered, which makes them compatible with a wide range of consumer laptops and notebooks. The DDR3L specification means it operates at a low voltage of 1.35 V, which helps reduce power consumption and heat output. It is also designed to be dual voltage compatible, meaning it can run at both 1.35 V and 1.5 V depending on system requirements. This flexibility improves compatibility across different devices. Installation is straightforward for users familiar with laptop upgrades. The SO-DIMM form factor and 204-pin design make it compatible with supported DDR3 laptop memory slots. In most cases, users can install the RAM themselves without professional assistance, as long as their device supports the correct specifications. This makes it a practical upgrade for users who want to improve performance without replacing their entire system. In real-world usage, upgrading to this 32 GB kit can dramatically improve multitasking performance. Systems that previously lagged under heavy workloads will feel more responsive, especially when switching between applications or running memory-intensive tasks. This is particularly beneficial for users who work with office software, light editing tools, programming environments, or older creative applications. Another important advantage is stability. ATEC designs its memory modules to meet JEDEC standards, which ensures consistent performance and reliability. This is important for users who depend on their system for daily productivity tasks and need long-term stability without frequent crashes or memory errors. The kit also comes backed by a lifetime warranty, which adds an extra layer of confidence for buyers. In addition, ATEC provides customer support to assist with installation or compatibility questions. This is especially helpful for users who may not be fully familiar with RAM specifications or upgrade procedures. However, it is important to note that this memory is specifically designed for DDR3 and DDR3L systems. It will not work with newer DDR4 or DDR5 platforms. Users must ensure their laptop supports DDR3 SODIMM memory before purchasing. Additionally, while 32 GB is a large capacity for DDR3 systems, the actual performance improvement will depend on the processor and overall hardware of the laptop. In terms of performance impact, the biggest improvements are seen in multitasking and system responsiveness rather than raw processing speed. Applications load more smoothly, switching between tasks becomes faster, and overall system lag is reduced significantly compared to lower RAM configurations. This makes it a strong upgrade option for users who are not ready to replace their entire laptop, but want to extend its usable life and improve day-to-day performance. Overall, the ATEC 32GB DDR3L 1600 MHz RAM kit is a reliable and practical upgrade solution for compatible laptops. It offers solid capacity, stable performance, low power consumption, and easy installation, all backed by a lifetime warranty. If you're looking to improve the performance of a DDR3-based laptop and extend its usability for modern workloads, This RAM kit is a cost-effective and efficient upgrade that delivers noticeable results.